This screencast on reading and writing at university is brought to you by the Western Cape Academic Literacies team at UNISA. Assignments, particularly essay assignments at university, can leave you feeling confused and unsure of what is expected and what to do. Writing at university requires lots of thought and reading before, during, and after you write. This includes reading your own writing before submitting your assignments. Your reading and writing helps you to learn and make sense and make meaning of what it is you are learning. And by speaking with and listening to other students and your lecturers, the learning process is facilitated. Let's take a few minutes to unpack reading at university. At university, you are required to read interactively. But what does this mean, and how does one read interactively? Pause the video now and take some time to make sense of what reading interactively means. Reading at university also requires you to read with a questioning attitude. This is called reading critically. Here are some of the questions you can ask. Pause the video now to read the kinds of questions you could be asking before or while you read. Note that not all of these questions will be relevant to every text you may read. Here is a series of questions you could ask during and after reading a text. Again, pause the video to go through these. Not all of these questions may be relevant to every text you may read. Essays are the main way in which students communicate their ideas with their lecturers. Imagine your writing as a conversation with your lecturer. Yes, it will feel a bit like a one-sided conversation. However, it's your opportunity to showcase your ideas. In your essays, you will focus on questions or problems in human sciences or education, law, or science and engineering and technology, to name a few of the fields in which you may be studying. Your essays will require you to discuss and explore ideas and topics. You may be asked to argue a case. In your essays, you can prove that you can think about issues and problems in a particular way and apply what you have learned. You will show your lecturers how your mind works. You will show them how much you know and what you think and feel about a particular topic or issue. In your essays, you will be required to create arguments to respond to those questions and problems and support your arguments with specific evidence and citations. Take a moment to look at the cartoon. You may pause the video now. Whose view is more convincing and persuasive, do you think? Do you agree that the opinion or point of view in pink is less convincing than the opinion in blue? What makes the opinion in blue more convincing, and why is it regarded as an argument and not a mere opinion? Indeed, it is the supporting information taken from the Wall Street Journal in the second frame that supports the opinion that makes it more convincing and more persuasive. You too will be required to present arguments in your essays at university. Your lecturers will ask you to write essays because they want you to demonstrate your understanding of ideas. They also want you to make your own thinking and views on a topic clear using argument and logic. So what exactly do lecturers expect from you in your essays? They will be looking at the following. They will ask themselves, does this essay directly address the set task? Does it present a strong supported position? Does it use relevant sources appropriately? Is the expression clear and the style appropriate? Is the essay organized coherently? In other words, is there a clear introduction, body, and conclusion? In order to meet the lecturer's expectations, your essays are required to be planned and focused. Your essay is to be structured and evidenced. It also needs to be formal in style and tone. To summarize then, at university, we read and write not only to learn, but also to showcase our ideas. Writing at university includes reading interactively and critically, which will help you present your ideas clearly using arguments that are well thought through.